Hey guys, it's Donyale and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. If you're a subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So on this video, I wanted to talk about this unit, okay? Did you think this was my hair? Because it's a unit, okay? This unit I have had for a year now. I bought her, I feel like I bought her in January, but I'm kind of thinking I may have purchased her in December of 2018 because I remember wearing her to a Christmas party, so I'll confirm somewhere on the screen if I bought her in December or January. Doesn't really matter. I've had her for a full year and I have worn her frequently, okay? I have worn her out, okay? She is like, girl, give me a rest, and I just won't because she's cute, okay? She comes back to life every single time with nothing done to her. Basically, I just shake her out, throw her on, and we're out the door. Okay, I guess I should tell you what it is. So this is the 4A Kinky wig from the Big Beautiful Hair collection by Outre. And like I said, I purchased her a year ago from my local beauty supply store. And when I first got her, I did have to pick her out quite a bit. I had to pick her out. I had to separate the curls that were a little tight. They were a little Rick James-ish, you know. So I did have to kind of shape her. And I could do another video. I'm gonna get the newest wig from this collection that just came out. So let me know if you want to see a video of like how I shape my wigs. I did have to kind of separate the curls, pick her out, make her look more like a fro and less like curls, if that makes sense. So and I just, you know, kind of made her the shape that I wanted. So the thing about this wig is that it is still really soft, okay? I'm just gonna show you up close. She is still super soft. Like, this is a synthetic wig, so y'all know how synthetic wigs are. They get real crunchy, real crispy, like you could sweep your floor with them, okay? But this one has not done that, and I have only co-washed her once, okay? I don't know if that's trifling, y'all let me know, but she has only seen water one time. And that was probably like April, maybe? I don't know. I can't even recall when that was, so that lets you know how long ago it was. This wig has just, I just snatched her on out the drawer. That's how, she does not on a wig head. I don't even have a wig head, honestly. I have all my synthetic wigs just tucked away in a drawer, and I just pull them out when necessary, okay? And I normally pull my synthetic wigs out in between protective styling. I mean, this is technically protective styling, but I was doing a lot of like twists and braids and crochet last year. So once I took those styles down, instead of just wearing my hair in a ponytail, although my hair is normally in a ponytail under this wig, because I just don't braid the base of my hair anymore, really. But instead of just wearing that ponytail out, I would, you know, just slap this wig on. So I have worn her, I don't know how many times, y'all, but I really want to stress the point that she has been worn a lot over this year. This is not like I just had her for a year and she hasn't really been worn. Like, no, she's been worn a lot. And she's been slept in, okay? I've traveled with her, like she's been worn, okay? So this is just how she is showing up a year later, and I'm very, very impressed, okay? She is constructed like a half wig. Like I said, there's a big comb right here, and there's like 2 combs on the side and then a comb in the back, and then there is an adjustable strap. So she's constructed like a half wig, but I have like kind of pulled this down, created a bang. It technically comes like this, like it technically is like this, but on the card you'll see that they have a little side part action. Like, I don't know what that was about, but I don't know what that's about. I've actually done that with this wig. I'll insert a picture here to where I've kind of created, I pushed it back a little bit, pulled my edges out just a little bit, okay? And then kind of created like a part almost in this wig. So again, she's been worn. But it is constructed like a half wig, which I think is just super easy and low maintenance. Like honestly, like I'm getting back into these videos and I'm just dreading the day that I have to do a lace wig on this channel, okay? I just feel like it's inevitable at this point, at this day and age, 2020, like you have to throw a lace wig on your head if you're gonna be doing some hair videos. But this is more my speed. My lane is like slap a wig on and go. Like I'm not blending, I'm not figuring nothing out. I'm looking cute. She was cheap. Like, why am I doing anything else? So that is kind of where I want to stay for as long as possible. It's just a cute, quick solution that low-key lasts for a long time. So she, like I said, she's super soft. She's only been co-washed one time. Men love this wig, okay? I'm gonna just tell you that. It's like they are into the big hair, honey. And she just gives life. She gives life. And this is a whole year later. Like, I literally have nothing bad to say about this wig, okay? Especially because like I don't have to do anything to her. I feel like the more worn she is, the more it's like more natural looking. Like the curls aren't as like shiny, because I think that was a thing when I first got her. Like she was a little bit shiny. So the longer you have her, the curls aren't as shiny, so it doesn't really look synthetic. But nobody ever guessed that it was synthetic, honestly. Like one of my close friends DMs me when I first posted this. I was just, you know, trying to be cute on gram, but she was like, girl, if you don't tell me about this hair routine. And I'm like, you of all people should know this is not my hair, sis. Like how are you not knowing that this is a wig? But I had to DM so many people to let them know like the name of this wig. Like took a little screenshot of the card and like, here you go, sis, this is this wig. This is not my hair, okay? People are like, oh my God, your hair texture. I'm like, thank you, it's for a kinky. But yeah, I would just say if you are thinking about getting a wig from this collection, I would definitely do so. I mean, this is the only one that I have currently. I plan on getting the new one that just came out. I don't know the name offhand, but I follow Outre on Instagram, child. So I just saw that they came out with another one of these. It's a little longer, and I'm gonna review it here probably. But if you are thinking about getting one of these wigs, I would definitely do it. First of all, you're not coming out of no money, really. Like $30 at the most. I'll have links below actually to all of the units, but you're not coming out of any money, and it's going to last you, and it's going to look natural, and it's going to be very easy to wear. So really quickly, every time I put this unit on, I put a bobby pin right here, and I put one on each side too. And that is just to make sure that when the wind blows, it's not showing on my business, okay? I just want to make sure that this doesn't come back and expose that little crazy looking hairline that doesn't really exist. So but that's all I do. Like, I don't even think I adjusted the strap or anything. I have a pretty big head, so this is big head friendly, I would think. And yeah, she is just so easy, and that is what I am into, okay? So if you are new to this channel, I'm all about ease, simplicity, cheap. Dang, that sounded kind of bad, but that's what I'm here for. As long as I'm cute when I leave, like as long as we easy, simplistic, cheap, cute. Okay, that's what I'm all about here. So let me know if you have any questions about this wig down in the comments. If you would like to see, if you have any special requests for any other videos or tutorials or anything, please let me know. I'm going to insert pictures of me wearing this wig throughout the year. A little montage for you guys, just so you can see that one, she was worn, two, like all of the ways she was really worn, only like this. But I just want to show y'all that I did wear this wig, okay? So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know below, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next week.